Okay, the second topic of year 10 was trigonometry is the foundation version. It says, in all questions, give non-exact answers to three significant figures. So, what have we got here? Number one says, using the words below and the given angle, label the sides of this right angled triangle. First of all, the longest side is called the hypotenuse, which is this one here, hypotenuse. When I look at the angle, the word adjacent means next to it. So the one directly next to it, other than the adjacent, other than the hypotenuse, sorry, is the adjacent. And the one that's not touching it is called the opposite. Okay. Question 2. Calculate the length of the side labelled D. Here I've got a right angle triangle. I know two sides, so I can see, or I should know that this is Pythagoras' theorem. So Pythagoras' theorem, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Remember that C is the longest side, A and B are the other two, it doesn't matter. Then I substitute in, so I've got 22.5 squared plus 16.5 squared equals D squared. Now what I'm going to do is use my calculator. So I've got 22.5 squared plus 16.5 squared equals, okay, that gives me, if I S to D that, 778.5, and that equals D squared. I've then got to remember to square root to get rid of that. And when I square root on these, I press the square root button, and then instead of writing 778.5 again, I use the ands. Remember, if you get this sort of form, surd form, use the S to D, and in this case it says do it to, at the top, three significant figures. 27.90 is, so D actually equals 27.9, and it's in centimetres. Use your calculator to work out the following. So I'm going to clear my, and this time it's with these calculators very easy. 25 tan. Now just be aware that the calculator has a bracket on it. And in fact, there's something I forgot that I told the students to do. You always should clear your memory here. The reason is that at the top here, I've got a little r, and I need this to be a little d. So always clear your memory. So shift 9 3 equals AC. I use that a lot in exams. And here you'll see I've got a little d at the top, which means it's in degrees. So now I'm going to start again. 25 tan. As I was just saying, when on these calculators, after the tan you're putting in the angle, it usually has a bracket. So remember to close the brackets like so. Press equals, S to D again. I've got 6.698, which is 6.70 to three significant figures. Next one, I'm going to clear it again. Still got the D up there. Use the fraction button. There it's. Oops, it doesn't seem to want to work for me. Let's try again. Now I use my finger. And then on the top, I've got 8. Go down by using the down arrow. I've got cos. Remember the brackets 4, 0. Close my brackets off. Press equals. 10.44, 10.4 in this case. And finally, we've got the inverse sign, that's sine -1. To get that, you have to press Shift and then press the sine button, and that gives you sine -1. You use this to find angles, then press the fraction button on the left-hand side, and then get your 36 on the top. Go down arrow, 47, then go to the side so that the bracket closes properly. Press equals. I've got 49.99, which actually would be 50.0 to 3 significant figures. Anything else on that? No, I think we'll stop there.